Next one, pleiotropy. Pleiotropy, which is truly opposite for the polygenic inheritance. In polygenic inheritance, we said many genes, one character. Here, many genes, one character is polygenic inheritance. Now, in pleiotropy, is truly is going to be opposite here. Single phenotype. We have so far seen the effect of a gene on single phenotype. One gene, one effect. This is also Mendel. We are seeing one gene, that is the tall, capital T, tall, small t, dwarf. So, there are, however, instances where a single gene can exhibit multiple expression. So what is Mendel? Mendel said one gene have one expression. One gene have one expression. Okay, one gene have one expression. But now if it is single gene, multiple expression, what it will be? It is called pleiotropy. So can I call it is also a non-Mendelian process? Non-Mendelian process. Non-Mendelian process. Okay, such a gene is called pleiotropic gene. Such gene is called pleiotropic gene. Underlying mechanism of pleiotropy in most cases is the effect of gene. Single gene multiple expression key. We took an example in other criteria that means whatever there in textbook we have to go for. He is saying that most cases effect of a gene on metabolic pathways. Metabolic pathway. Multiple expression he is given in the way of metabolic pathway. Okay, so metabolic pathway. Example for this text example is given on metabolic pathway only. Phenylketonuria. Example given for this is phenylketonuria. What is phenylketonuria? Which occurs in human being, a disease. This is caused by mutation of a gene that codes for the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme. A single gene mutation. We get this in disorders also. A single gene mutation is the Mendelian mutation. This manifests itself through phenotypic expression characterized by mental retardation, a reduction of hair. So mechanism, let's see once here. What is the mechanism behind this? Phenylalanine is an amino acid we take through the food. This phenylalanine amino acid in the presence of an enzyme called phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme. Phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme, it has to convert into the tyrosine. Phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme converts the phenylalanine into tyrosine. Tyrosine in the presence of an enzyme called tyrosinase, it is converted into melanin. So in our topic, our hero in the given pleiotropy, this enzyme. If it all happen as mutation in this particular gene, phenylalanine gene, phenylalanine hydroxylase gene, undergo mutation, you can't produce this enzyme. Means you can't convert phenylalanine into tyrosine. If you can't convert the phenylalanine into tyrosine, phenylalanine accumulation you can expect in the human body. Phenylalanine accumulation. Accumulation of the phenylalanine will convert into phenyl pyruvate. More phenylalanine can be converted into phenyl pyruvate, which is very dangerous. That leads to, when it reaches to the brain, that cause mental retardation. Okay. Then when phenylalanine is not forming melanin in the end, that leads to the skin pigmentation also, reduction in hair and skin pigmentation, because phenylalanine is the source for melanin. So this enzyme is not there. You can't form tyrosine. If you can't form tyrosine, you can't form melanin. So in the total phenomena, phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme. This is the enzyme. If it is not there, why it is not there? PAH gene is not there. So one gene one gene, if it is absent, if one gene is absent, what happened? Enzyme is not produced. Enzyme is not produced means mental retardation due to the accumulation of the phenylpyruvate, and due to the absence of production of melanin, there is a reduction in the hair and skin pigmentation. So I think our topic is justified. One gene mutation, one gene expression results into many effects: mental retardation, reduction in hair and skin pigmentation. So this is the story of pleiotropy. We just went through only what is given in NCERT. Polygenic inheritance, pleiotropy are the important topics we have to see. Okay, important things we have to see.